Edge is a secure and user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet designed to manage Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Here's how to use Edge Bitcoin Wallet. Download and install. Begin by downloading the Edge from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Install and open the app on your device. Create an account. Upon opening the app, choose to create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to set up a secure PIN or biometric authentication. Write down and securely store your recovery phrase. This is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. Add Bitcoin. After creating the wallet, go to the wallet interface and select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can receive Bitcoin by generating a new address or scanning a QR code for payment. Sending Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin, select Send and enter the recipient's wallet address or scan a QR code. Input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send and review the transaction details before confirming. Security and privacy. Edge prioritizes security with features like biometric authentication, encryption, and secure key management. Regularly update the app and enable additional security features for better protection. Manage transactions. View your transaction history, check balances, and manage Bitcoin across different wallets from within the app. Backup. Regularly backup your wallet and recovery phrase to avoid losing access to your Bitcoin in case of device loss or corruption.